the interpretation of Constitution Article 6, Section 1, Section 18 is very clear. Basis of proportional representation from political parties and party organizations. Ang linaw nun eh. Walang sinasabi itong majority and minority.
Mr. President, if I may, I believe
The
the
majority leader
the
is
party organization is the minority and the majority. And I submit again, Mr. President, hindi po ako magmamagaling-galingan or magsasabing eksperto dito. But nais ko, Mr. President, na isubmit itong aking posisyon sa body, Mr. President, at maging sa mga kasama natin dito sa bulwagang ito, Mr. President.
Mr. President, di mo pwedeng sabihin yung laman ng Constitution ng parties, organizations, meaning majority and minority. That is a very poor interpretation, Mr. President. Ang linaw eh.